Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today we are going to learn the second chapter of standard 9 polynomial. So before learning the polynomial, we have to know some basic terms related to it, like algebraic expression. We have to know the meaning of the algebraic expression. So what is the algebraic expression? A combination of constant and variable connected by the four fundamental arithmetic operation plus, minus, multiplication and division is called an algebraic expression. Like example 6x square minus 5y square plus 2xy. This is known as the algebraic expression. What is the example? 6x square minus 5y square plus 2xy. This is known as the algebraic expression. Student, here x and y are known as the variable and 6, 5 and 2 are considered as a constant. Now we are going to learn the meaning of the polynomial. So what is polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression whose variable consists only non-negative integral power. Look at the example. 4x cube plus 3x square minus 7x plus 5 is a polynomial because its variable x contain non-negative integral power. Now we have to know the second point's term. Okay, what is the meaning of the term? So what is the meaning of the term? When the two parts of the expression is separated by plus or minus, that part is known as the term of polynomial. So here 4x cube, 3x square, 7x plus 5 is known as the term of this polynomial. Now next term we have to know is the coefficient. What is the meaning of the coefficient of the polynomial? So look at the example here. 4, the constant part 4, 3, 7, 5 is known as the coefficient of polynomial. Next term we have to know is a polynomial in one variable. So what is the meaning of the polynomial in one variable? Look at the example. P of x equals to 3x square plus 2x square minus 7x plus 5. So this is the polynomial which have only single variable in a expression. This is a polynomial which have only single variable in a expression. So an algebraic expression having single variable whose variable have only whole number as a exponent is known as polynomial in one variable. So we will understand all our concept by taking some example. Look at here. We take one example. Which of the following are polynomial? Justify your आंसर. आपको मुझे बताना है कि जो गिवन एक्सप्रेशन दी है वो पॉलिनोमियल है या नहीं है. पॉलिनोमियल है तो क्यों है, पॉलिनोमियल नहीं है तो क्यों नहीं है. ओके, यू हैव टू टेल मी the given expression is a polynomial or not. If it is polynomial, then why it is polynomial, and if it is not, then why. Okay, so come to the first expression. X cube plus 3x square plus 2. Is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Why? Because here the variable x have the positive integers. The variable x have the positive integer as a degree. Okay, that's why it is known as the polynomial. Now look at the second expression. Root x raised to the power 5 plus 4x plus 2. Is it polynomial? No, it is not polynomial. Why? Because all of you know that we are able to write down x raised to the power 5 as a x raised to the power root 5 as a x raised to the power 5 1/2 plus 4x plus 2. So it becomes x raised to the power 2 by 5 plus 4x plus 2. So look at student here. Here the variable x. Here the variable x does not consist of positive integers. 2 by 5 is not considered as a integers, and that's why it is not considered as a polynomial. The given expression is not considered as a polynomial. Take one another example to know the meaning of the polynomial in one variable. So look at the example. Which of the following expression are polynomial in one variable or more variables? आपको क्या बताना है कि नीचे जो एक्सप्रेशन दी है वो वन वेरिएबल में है या मोर देन वन वेरिएबल है. ओके, सो कम टू द फर्स्ट एग्जांपल. 3x square minus 5x. First of all, is it polynomial? Yes, it is polynomial. Now, the second question, is it polynomial in one variable? Yes, it is polynomial in one variable because whole expressions are consist only single variable x. Here it is polynomial in variable x. Okay, so it is polynomial in one variable. Now come to the another example. 5y square plus 8x. Is it polynomial in one variable? No, it is not polynomial in one variable. Why? Because here in these expressions there are two variables, x and y. Okay, here there are two variables, x and y, and that's why it is not considered as a polynomial in one variable. Next, root t plus 3y. Is it polynomial in one variable? No, it is also not considered as a polynomial in one variable because here we have two variables, t and y. That's why it is also not considered as a polynomial in one variable. So I think now all of you clear all the terms. Algebraic expression, what is the meaning of the term, what is the meaning of the coefficient, what is the meaning of the polynomial in one variable. So in next part we will take the classifications of the polynomial.